Hello everyone, this is Vrushali. I make simple and easy nail designs for all those who want to try new nail art on their short nails. In this video, I will be showing you one such multicolored simple design. Always start with the base coat to protect your natural nails. Here I am using white and green as my base colors. I am applying 2 coats of white and 2 coats of green polish. And don't forget to cap the free edge of your nail. I've taken few blobs of different colors. Now take any dotting tool. You can use the round end of a bobby pin over here and make random small patterns all over the nail with different colors. You don't have to be accurate over here, just keep applying different colors to fill up your nail completely. Like so. This way, and I am also giving small dots to fill up the empty spaces if any. Allow your design to completely dry before you apply a top coat. A top coat seals your design and gives them a very good finish. So here is my final look. Dear friends, please reply in the comment box how did you find the design. And if you liked my video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you friends.